Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. From this session, we will start the discussion about JDBC. Let's first understand what is JDBC. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity, which allows us to develop Java applications which will communicate with the database. Now, first of all, what is the reason that we should store data into the database? When I say I have certain data or information to be stored, what we do at application level is we declare variables. However, these variable data will be available only till the application is being executed. Once the application execution is over, this data will be lost and it will not be available for further usage. So if I need to preserve that data and fetch it and use it in my application in future, I will have to store that data somewhere and use when and where required. Now we have already discussed about the file handling, where we can preserve data in a file. However, database obviously provides advantages over the file system. The first thing is whenever we are storing data into a file, it is not stored in a structured manner. We don't follow any structure. However, in database, we store data in the form of tables. In file system, we don't have any check on the uniqueness of the data. In database, we have a primary key which checks that every data, every record is stored in the unique manner. While performing operations like delete, update related to file system, what we'll have to do is we'll have to read entire data, then perform modification or deletion and rewrite the remaining data. In database, we have structured query language which will allow us to perform various operations on the data which is available in the table. So, in this way, the data which is stored into the database is definitely more useful as compared to file system. So this is about JDBC. Now talking about JDBC architecture, we are going to create a Java application which will communicate with the database. However, there are multiple steps which are followed. So Java application needs to follow JDBC API so that the applications will be developed which will be able to communicate with the database. Then every database will have a JDBC driver so that Java specific calls will be converted in database specific calls and database specific calls will be converted into Java specific calls. All these things we are going to discuss in detail in forthcoming sessions. So currently this is about the introduction of JDBC. Thank you.